So this is today's trade recap. It's Tuesday the 27th of January 2026. Yesterday I didn't trade, I take a little break, but today I traded again. And yeah, let's just jump into the weekly outlook or a daily outlook, daily bias. Obviously I was bullish for this week. But here we had a reversal signature candle, nice swing point. So I wanted to see this previous week's high getting taken out, or these equal highs right here. So let's go to the daily. Again, yesterday we kind of inversed this TCIST, so we're looking for continuation higher. Also, this candle closed above previous day's candles high, so we also expected for today previous day's high and these equal highs up here as our main target. Yeah, obviously these equal highs were much more stronger on ES. So yeah, in this video I'm only going to show the chart of NQ, but if you look at ES on this day on the price action, you can clearly see that ES was pretty bullish because we had these super clean equal highs, and YM kind of did a bit its own thing today, but yeah, we just followed ES and NQ today. So let's jump right into let's first of all check on the 4-hour candle, because this was an important candle. We had the 6-hour candle giving, or wait, where am I? This was, let me mark it out real quick. There was a swing point forming, that's why. So yeah, exactly, we had the 9 a.m. candle. This is where I started charting, and as you can see we got this nice swing point here. We took out the low, so I wanted to take a trade on the 10 a.m. candle as soon as we opened low and go high, but unfortunately our drawn liquidity was already hit, so it didn't make sense to go much higher, and that's why I didn't take this. But the chart reading was pretty nice. And yeah, let's see, go on the lower time frames where I actually took the trades. As you can see, on the 9 a.m. I went to the charts. We still had these equal highs, these highs right here, and I was kind of sure that this wasn't already the high of the day, so I just waited for a retracement lower to take out these equal highs, because these were pretty damn equal lows right here. Sorry, not highs, equal lows. I was not satisfied with them when just going higher, so I really waited for these lows to get taken out. We also perfectly tapped into that 1 hour gap below us. Mark it out real quick. So this was the opening, and yeah, then it was pretty clear to go higher again, and yeah, we reach our target, these equal highs up here. And yeah, we didn't have any clear SSMT. That's a bit unfortunate, and I think this was the main reason because I lost today. We did not have any clear manipulation showing on the charts. No 5-minute SSMT prior to the manipulation, and no 15-minute, no daily, no weekly, and yeah, no 1 minute. So yeah, for quarterly theory it was really not the play today, and this is also why I lost. I really thought, you see this is market opening, we nicely tapped into the 1 hour gap, we retraced, we got a nice swing point right here, and we inverse that gap right here. So just in this gap I entered basically right here. We went up a little bit, but then came down and yeah, we even respected the bearish TCISD right here. So this was the main shorts actually playing out, and yeah, so this is where I lost $1,000, so over the daily loss limit, so I couldn't trade any reversal down here with another inversion gap or something else. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate, bit unlucky, because my framing, my high time frame bias and my chart reading was pretty good, but I risked too much, so I hit the daily loss limit, and yeah, so to mark it out, maybe something like this I took today. I wanted to see, no, I took actually a long, sorry. Want to see this, something like this here, the equal highs, stop on this low, and trail it fast as soon as we're going higher. Yeah, but didn't work out, it was too early, and obviously I didn't trade to my rules, I didn't take any S&T plus TCISD model. And yeah, what else can I tell about this day today? I mean, chart reading was pretty nice, and pretty nice, got this manipulation right here. I think actually we got another, if you look at the 1 hour candle, this was our swing point forming. So this is candle 1, candle 2, and this is the expansion candle. But because we already traded this expansion, we already traded the candle 2 to our drawn liquidity, it wouldn't have made sense to take a trade right here. It was pretty risky, but still, if you look at the 10 a.m. opening, you could have technically taken this, and this is really something I want to show because I charted this also. So really, candle 3 was opening right here, so we went down. We also tagged into this gap again, went down. Here's our change in the state, and from there you could have taken any long. So this is, in terms of open, low, high, close, it was the open, it was the low of the 10 a.m. candle, and this is where our change in the state happened right here. So you could have, let's say this is our change in state, you could have entered on any retest right here. So we broke above, retest right here, stop loss right here, and we go for kind of 1 to 2 hour, which is actually perfectly aligning with this. Let's go to daily again, with these highs right here. So you see these are also equal highs. So in my setup, you could have taken the trade until here, but it stops right under this low, or a bit lower. And yeah, but obviously in terms of the fractal model, or in terms of the swing point, we already got this candle 2 with a huge expansion higher. So the candle 3 already isn't that strong because we already hit our target. So that's why I didn't took it, and it probably, I think it probably also got stopped out right here. No, not stopped out, but yeah, I think this target could be actually hit, but yeah, didn't take it. Just some nice chart reading right here from the setup. And yeah, what can I improve on? Obviously, I lost 1k, and I can improve on just taking my model only. Not just some random liquidity sweep plus inversion gap, and also better risk management, because pretty important. I'm trading on Tradeovate, and I'm kind of struggling with the risk management. I put in 2 minis on this trade, and I couldn't see what was actually the balance, which I am losing on my stop loss. So I was kind of guessing. I was kind of not knowing how much the stop loss actually was on my stop loss level. So yeah, and I also didn't use a calculator. This is pretty big mistake. So take my model only, better risk management, don't rush anything. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Explained a little bit more, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow